Hello guys, let us continue with our tutorials. Today we will be doing grade 12 mathematics. Under mathematics we will be doing solving exponential equation. Today we are solving exponential equations. We'll solve for x in an exponential form. Now let us take a look at our first question, which states that 3 to the power 3x plus 1 is equal to 9 to the power 2x minus 4. We have to prime factorize this 9 so that it becomes 3 to the power something, so that our bases become the same, so we can drop our exponents. Now let us prime factorize. I've told you guys on our previous sessions how to prime factorize. Now it is going to be 3 into 3x plus 1. When you prime factorize 9 on your casual calculator, it is going to give you 3 squared into 2x minus 4. Now that both our bases are the same, we drop our exponents. Therefore, we are left with x plus 1 is equal to 2 into 2x minus 4. 3x plus 1 is equal to 2 times 2x is 4x, and then 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. And then we collect our like terms, which is going to be 1 plus 8 is equal to 4x minus 3x. Therefore, our x is equal to 9. And then we are done. Let us take a look at our second question. 3 multiplied by 7 to the power x is equal to the root of 18. Now, we divide both sides by 3. 3 cancel out this one. We solve for cancelling out this one. Therefore, 7 to the power x is equal to, let me check, the root of 18 divided by 3. Okay, the root of 18 divided by 3. Root 18 divided by 3 is equal to the root of 2. Root 18 divided by 3 is equal to the root of 2. And then I have to guess on our previous lessons on that the subject of logarithm functions, that when given an equation in a form like this, you are going to log 7 and with the root of 2, and then you drop your exponent of your index. Now, when you log the base 7 and then you log the root of 2, this x will become our coefficient of logarithm, and then we divide both sides by the logarithm of 7. We divide both sides by log 7, and this one will cancel out this one. Therefore, our final answer is log 2 divided log root 2 divided by 7. Log the root of 2 divided by log 7, and then your answer is 0.178. We always round off to 2 decimal places. Therefore, our final answer is equal to 0.18. Let us go to our third question. Let us see 2 to the power x is equal to 8,3. Let me punch 8,3 is 83 over 10. Now it's fine. Let us use the logarithm function loss. Therefore, if we log 2, we also log 8,3. What you do on the left hand side, you also do on our right hand side. Our index becomes the coefficient of log. Therefore, we divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. This log 2 will cancel out this log 2. Therefore, your x is equal to log 8,3 divided by log 2. So the final answer is 3,05. And then you are done. Letter D, 9 to the power x squared plus x is equal to 27 into x to the power x plus 1. Let us prime factorize 9 and 27. This one is going to be 3 squared into x squared plus x is equal to 3 cubed into x plus 1. 3 squared is 9. 3 cubed is 27. And then we drop our indexes. So we are left with 2 into x squared plus x is equal to 3 into x plus 1. And then 2 multiplied by this term by x squared, and x is going to be 2x squared plus 2x is equal to 3x plus 3. And then we collect our left hands, and then we are left with 2x squared plus 3x minus 3x minus 3 is equal to 0. 2x squared minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. And then you can punch this into your calculator. B squared minus 4ac over 2 into a. So x is equal to 1 plus or minus. The reason why this 1 is because negative into negative will give you positive into negative 1 squared minus 4. Our a is 2 and our c is negative 3. All divided by 2 into coefficient of x squared, 2 into 2. Therefore, x is equal to the value of x is equal to 3 over 2, and x is equal to negative 1. And then you are done. Let us continue. Log x minus log 5 is equal to negative 1. Let us collect our left hands, which is negative log 5 and negative 1. So we are going to transpose negative log 5 to the other side, to our right hand side. Therefore, we are going to be left with log x is equal to negative 1 plus log 5. These two are our left hands. This one is log x is equal to negative 0, 3 or 1, 0, 2, 999, 57. Do not round off until you get to your final answer. When we are given a logarithm with no base from our previous sessions, we always assume that your base is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 to the power is negative 0, 301. So x is equal to 10 to the power negative 0, 301, 02, 99957. So let me check 10 to the power. Therefore, our x is equal to 1 over 2 or 0,5. I hope you guys are more familiar with this laws of exponent and this exponential equations, because there's no way that these questions will appear in the final examination. Let us do more examples, guys. More examples. 7 to the power 2, 7 to the power x plus 2 is equal to 5.6. I told you on our previous sessions, these logarithm functions, we are going to log. Let me check before now calculate something. Okay, it is going to be log 7 is equal to log 5,6, and then this becomes the coefficient. The index will now become the coefficient of our logarithm. Now, this is going to be, we are going to divide, now we are going to divide both sides by log 7. So we are going to divide both sides by log 7, and divide both sides by log 7. This one will cancel out this one. Therefore, x plus 2 is equal to, let me check, log 5.6. Log 5.6 divided by log 7. So x plus 2 is equal to 0,8853. Then you write this recurrent sign. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2, since it is positive, 0,885 minus 2, and then your final answer is negative 1, 1, and then you are done. Our second question, 3 to the power x minus 2 is equal to 12. We cannot factorize 12. Therefore, this one is going to become log 3 is equal to log 12. And then you put our x minus 2 inside our brackets, and then you divide both sides by log 3. Divide both sides by log 3. This one will cancel out this one, and then you are left with x minus 2 log 12 divided by log 3 is 2 comma 2 6 2 comma 2 6 y. This number is recurring into, then we're going to add 2, since this 2 is negative. When we transpose, it's going to become positive, and then for our final answer is 4 comma 2 6. Our final answer is 4 comma 2 6. Let us do our third question. 25 into 1 comma 245 to the power x plus 7 is equal to 300. We are going to divide both sides by 25. We're going to divide both sides by this one and cancel out this one, and then you are left with 1 comma 245 to the power x plus 7 is equal to 300 is divided by 25 is equal to 12. And then we log this side and this side so that our x plus 7 becomes the coefficient. 1 comma 245 is equal to log 12, and then x plus 7 becomes the coefficient of our logarithm, and then we divide both sides by the logarithm of 1 comma 245. 1 comma 245. This one will cancel out this one, and then we left with x plus 7 is equal to log 12 divided by log 1 comma 245. This one is 11 comma 339 is recurring, so x is equal to 11 comma 339 minus 7. Therefore, x is equal to 4 comma 33. 4 comma 33. And then our final equation, 3 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 11. You cannot factorize 11 to become 3 to the power something. Therefore, we're going to log 3 is equal to log 11. And then x plus 1 will become the coefficient of logarithm. After that step, we're going to divide both sides by log 3, both on our left and right hand side. So it's going to become, we're going to divide both sides by log 3, and divide both sides by log 3. This one cancel like this one, and then we left with x plus 1 is equal to log 11 divided by log 3 is equal to 2 comma 186. Therefore, x is equal to 2 comma 186 minus 1, since our 1 is positive. So minus 1, we are going to be left with 1 comma 186, and then you're done. I hope you guys are going to go back and revise the loss of exponents so that it becomes simpler for you to solve these questions, and so that this whole algorithm and so that the algorithm for these questions can become much simpler for you. Thank you guys. And please don't forget to subscribe.